Have you ever wondered if all of life's unexpected twists and turns are part of something larger? Our journey is shaped by complex events throughout our life that mold us into who we are. All of us go through hardships and tough times, but what if I told you that it's all part of a bigger plan? Hi, my name is Ayesha, and today let us dive deep into the different dimensions of our existence. I believe that everyone has come into this world to bring something good in it. Whether it's a cascade of positive events or a mix of both good and not so good deeds that mark their journey. Each one of us here has come into this world with a special purpose. As an adolescent, navigating through the complexities of high school, grappling with the intricate puzzle that is life, all while contemplating my future career path, honestly, it's like trying to find Waldo in a sea of distractions. And thinking big picture is about as challenging as mastering a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But the motto, everything happens for a reason, has kept me sane through this fanatical time. Take exams, for instance. Taking it is of no use if you do not want to see yourself fail, and that failure has no meaning if you don't try to improve on it. These unfortunate events are the biggest opportunities to improve yourself and your mental well-being. Mandy Hale once said, "Sometimes it takes a wrong turn to get you to the right place." Well, it's like life handed you the ultimate permission slip to take a U-turn when Siri says you've reached your destination. Life's GPS can be as wonky as my sense of direction. So here's the deal. Imagine life's journey a bit like a road trip, where the GPS is occasionally hitting the snooze button. Mandy's basically telling us that getting lost is not a bug, it's a feature. These wrong turns, they're like unexpected plot twists in a B movie. Totally unplanned, slightly confusing, but oh so exciting. So, if life throws you a roadblock sign, turn on some tunes, roll down the window, and enjoy the scenic route. Who knows, you might stumble upon the right path chasing down a wrong turn, or at the very least, you'll have a great story for an awkward family dinner. These obstacles often take form as bad occurrences, which may seem like setbacks at the very first, but sooner or later you'll be able to see the hidden potential that's beyond the present problem. These difficult moments act as mirrors, reflecting our vulnerabilities and highlighting areas for development. It's in these trials of adversity where we find untapped potential within ourselves. The struggle becomes an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow. Moreover, adversity serves as a reality check, compelling us and grounding us to reevaluate our priorities and to focus on our purpose and why we're here. So, while the initial impact of the unfortunate event may be disheartening, recognizing it as an opportunity for growth and understanding will transform it to a stepping stone towards being more resilient, insightful, and overall a better version of yourself. Life is filled with uncertainties, but it's important to know that our journey is ongoing. Instead of dwelling on past failures, let us focus on the positive aspect of life. Let us focus on the positive aspect of life and the lessons we learn along the way. Each day presents us with a new opportunity to grow and learn, and embracing a positive mindset can will allow you to see the beauty in both the challenges we face and the connections we make throughout. At the end of the day, it's not like we don't know if we're going to be alive the next morning or if we'll be able to experience another sunrise. Knowing this and believing in it, let's remind ourselves not to get hung up on things we couldn't accomplish. Our journey is longer than those. The past is behind us, and we have a long journey ahead. No matter which direction we go to, we will always learn lessons along the way, and there will always be a new lesson taught to us. And embracing this and seeing the beautiful things that we see in the challenges we face and the difficulties that come into our life, these experiences teach us great things about our life and the connections we make throughout. So it's important to always have a positive mindset. Let's strive forward and make the most of it. Thank you.